Namaskar, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, and a very good morning to each one of you. The stage is all set for the sub-junior final. The teams are ready, but before that, first things first. Let me start with the introduction of the jury members. Please join your hands together first to one and the timekeeper will be the vice captain, Divyan Singh. And the scoring will be taken care of by the captain and the vice captain. Boys and girls, let me introduce the teams to you. Please welcome Team A. Time to welcome Team B. Please join your hands together for Team C. I give a call to Team D. Please welcome Team E. Boys and girls, the first round will be the buzzer round, and as you all know, this round has negative marking. So, before you throw the ball, you should be careful. Once you have thrown the ball, you will be given only 10 seconds to answer my question. In case you answer correctly, you add 5 marks to your tally. But in case you are unable to answer or your answer is wrong, in that case, you lose 3 marks. Right? So we are starting with the most amusing round. That is the buzzer round. Ready teams? Balls in your hands. And the first question is, which type of plants are partial heterotrophs? Which type of plants are partial heterotrophs? Tick. Mushroom says Team D. I'll have to put jury members. And the order is not correct. You lose 3 marks. The correct answer will be insectivorous plants. Don't worry, don't worry. कहते हैं ना, गिरते हैं घुड़सवार ही मैदाने जंग में, वो क्या गिरेंगे जो घुटने के बल चलते हैं। कोशिश करने वाले ही कभी कभार गिर जाते हैं, लेकिन अंत में विजयश्री को कोशिश करने वाले ही पाते हैं। तो आइए सेकंड क्वेश्चन, ready teams, balls in your hands, don't be in unnecessary hurry. Hurry sometimes makes curry. The question is, what are the building blocks of matter? Again, Team D. Atom this time, very confident and absolutely correct. You are positive 2 now. You are leading the tally now. Question number 3. Ready friends? And the question is, in which process no medium is required for heat transfer? Ding ding! Radiation. After a lot of deliberation and hesitation comes the answer, but the answer is absolutely correct. So, after 3 questions, the scores are team E are the losers now. Team D are placed second. Team C and Team B, Team A haven't opened their account. Well, question number 4. Ready teams? Hands ready? One hand should hold the ball properly, the second should hold the pen. And the question is, question number 4, ready? Measurement scale used in astronomy is the measurement scale for temperature used in astronomy is seconds. Time passing. Already 50 seconds. Team C it is.
Laboratory thermometer.
Which one?
Laboratory thermometer.
Laboratory thermometer cannot be given marks. You have to mention the scale. It is Kelvin. So you lose 3 marks. And the last question is coming up. Ready teams? Ball in one hand, pen in another, and the question is, what is the full form of Eureka? What is the full form of Yuvika? Eureka. Example. Very good program. It's a very good initiative taken by the government. Time up. The answer is Yuva विज्ञानी कार्यक्रम. युवा विज्ञानी कार्यक्रम. Eureka. With this, we have completed the buzzer round, and after the buzzer round, the scores are Team E 5, Team D 2, Team C -3. Team B 0, Team A 0. Well, the regulation round, I will start with Team E, and your question is, what was the first mission of ISRO? Which was the first mission of ISRO? Seconds. You should think and then answer. It is not a negative marking, so you can answer. The options are RS1, PSLV, CLSV, VIPER, और यहाँ से शुरू होते हैं आपके 30 seconds. V, VIPER is not correct. Passes to you, team D. Option A, RS1. You are not confident, but you say option A. I will have to give you 3 marks. But this is not the correct way of answering. Your original question is, how many satellites have been launched by ISRO? A, 100, B, 150, C, 75, D, 105. Time passing. 105 is not correct. Passes to you. Option A, 100 is not correct. Passes to you. 100. 150 is correct. You get 1 number of marks for your correct answer. And the next question is for you, team C. Your question is, what was the largest launch of ISRO? Aditya 1, GS-80, second, Chandrayaan, PASLV 1. Aditya is not correct. Passes to you. Chandrayaan is not correct. Passes to you. Option B, GS-80 is correct. You get 1 number of marks for your correct answer. Question for you. Who is the first woman director of ISRO? A, Radhika Kashyap, B, Sriji Nathan, C, Anuradha TK, D, Dhriti Agarwal. Radhika Kashyap, Sriji Nathan, Anuradha TK, Dhriti Agarwal. Luck with you. Anuradha TK, after a lot of agitation, but the answer is correct. Question for you. Mission Chandrayaan was launched on A, October 22nd, B, October 13, C, October 29, D, November 15. Mission Chandrayaan first was launched on October, just a minute, October 22nd, October 13, October 29, November 15. October 29 is not correct, passes to you. October 22nd is correct and you get 3 bonus marks. After completing the first round, the second round I'll be starting with you, team A. Which of the following substances turn blue litmus red? A, basic, B, acidic, C, neutral, D, all of these. Option B, acidic, is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks. Question for you, team B. Your question is, the elephant uses its trunk as a sense organ by detecting A, sound, B, taste, C, sight, D, smell. A, sound is not correct, passes to team C. 10 seconds. Time up. Smell is correct. You get 1 number of marks. Correct answer. Question for you, team C. The smallest particles of soil are called A, clay, B, sand, C, silt, D, gravel. Option A, clay, is absolutely correct. Question number 1 second. Team B. Ships are singled in dash season. A, summer. B, spring. C, autumn. D, winter. Option A, summer, is absolutely correct. 5 marks. Question 5. Question 5 is for you, team E. This is your second. Bile juice is stored in A, pancreas, B, gallbladder, C, liver, D, stomach. Gallbladder is absolutely correct and you get 5 marks for your correct answer. Well, I'll start with you, team E, and your question is, food poisoning or indigestion results in A, constipation, B, stomach ulcers, C, diarrhea, D, skin disease. Food poisoning or indigestion results in A, constipation, B, stomach ulcer, C, diarrhea, D, skin disease. Skin disease is not correct, passes to you. Option A, constipation, is not correct, passes to you. Option B, stomach ulcer, is not correct. You are left with only one, that is diarrhea. Next. Plants store food as A, glucose, B, sugar, C, cellulose, D, starch. Glucose, sugar, cellulose, starch. Option D, starch, after lot of calculation, but the answer is absolutely correct. And your water holding capacity is the highest in A, sandy soil, B, clay soil, C, loamy soil, D, mixture of sand. Option D, loamy soil is not option D, that is option C. आपको ठीक से सुनना चाहिए. Passes to you. Playing soil is correct and you get 2 marks. Question for you. Altitude. So the climate of a place depends on its A. Altitude, B. Latitude, C. Ocean currents, D. All of these. All of these is correct. Very good. Good going. Thank you. Question for you. For me. Chickenpox is caused by A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Protozoa, D. Mosquito bite. Chickenpox is caused by A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Protozoa, D. Mosquito bite. Option C, protozoa is not correct, passes to you. Virus is correct, you get 3 marks for answer. Of the regulation round, I'll start with team A and your question is, whenever an object changes its position with respect to its surroundings, it is said to be A. At rest, B. In motion, C. In a uniform motion, D. In a non-uniform motion. Whenever an object changes its position with respect to its surroundings, it is said to be A. At rest, B. In motion, C. In a uniform motion, D. In a non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion, I am afraid, is not correct, passes to team B. Pardon? Uniform motion is not correct, passes to you. Option B, in motion, is correct, you get 1 number of marks. Question for you, team B. A device which is used for measuring the speed is called A. Barometer, B. Odometer, C. Speedometer, D. Lactometer. Absolutely correct, you get 5 marks. And next question for you, team C. Your question is, which of the following devices was not used in ancient time to measure time? A. Sundial, B. Sand clock, C. Water clock, D. Quartz clock. D. Quartz clock. Although you are not so confident, but the answer is correct. Question for you, team B. The mode of nutrition in sugar and teacher plant is A. Parasitic, B. Symptomatic, C. Autotrophic, D. Insectivorous. Option D is absolutely correct. You got 5 marks for a correct answer. And question for you. The last question of this round. Which of these is not a part of ruminant stomach? A. Abomasum. B. Rumen. C. Reticulum. D. Anus. Option A. Abomasum is not correct. Passes to you, team A. 10 seconds. Time up. Passes to you, team B. Option D, NS is absolutely correct. You get 1 minute. With this, we have completed the regulation round, and after the regulation round, the scores are Team A 6 marks, Team C 8 marks, Team E 18, quite a good one. Team B 20, and Team D are the leaders in 21. When we are starting the third and the decisive round, the most amazing, the most wonderful, which maximum participants enjoy. It's always has been a round of meeting some setbacks. Sometimes teams leading so far may trail after this round. So please be careful, listen very carefully and answer. You will have to answer 7 questions in 70 seconds. 7 questions in 70 seconds. If you can answer all correct, you will get 21 marks. 3 marks for each correct answer. I'll start with you, Team A. Are you ready? And so is the timekeeper. Your time starts now. In symbiotic association, both the plants are benefiting from each other. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree is not correct. The silk fiber is obtained from the cocoons by a process called wriggling. Is it true or false? False is not correct. The vinegar is dilute acetic acid, straight or googly. Strict is correct. Baking soda is an acid. Am I serious or joking? Yes, I was joking. The SI unit of time is minute. Correct or wrong? Wrong is correct. The speed of a train is expressed in meter per hour. Do you agree or disagree? जल्दी बोल सकते हो? MP is not correct. Speed of a train भी नहीं, वो हमेशा किलोमीटर पर आवर में दी जाती है. When teams, it is your turn, team C. Ready? Okay. Your time starts now. Wool melts on burning. Do you agree or disagree? Agree is not correct. An organism which derives its food from other living organism is called host. True or false? False is correct. The hump of the camel stores fats in it. Straight or googly? Is correct. Swimming birds have streamlined body. Am I serious or joking? Right. The time period of simple pendulum depends on its length. Correct or wrong? Right. Acid rain increases the fertility of the soil. Agree or disagree? Right. All hot bodies radiate heat energy. True or false? True is correct. Six correct. Good. Tulsi. 18 added to their tally takes you to 26. Very good. When team E, your turn. Ready? When your time starts now. The principle of periodic motion is used for measurement of time. Do you agree or disagree? Is not correct. Quicklime neutralizes the excess acid in the soil. True or false? Is not correct. The acid produced naturally in our stomach is sulfuric acid. Straight or googly? Is correct. The crop plants grown in the fields require nitrogen in maximum amount to make the proteins. Am I serious or joking? No, I was serious. The range of laboratory thermometer is generally from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Correct or wrong? Right. Alcohol is a good conductor of heat. Agree or disagree? Not correct. Layered clothing traps more your time up. 18 पे थी और अब स्कोर देखिए. इसीलिए रैपिड फायर राउंड को सबसे ज्यादा ध्यान से सुनना चाहिए आपको. अब वो 24 पे रह गई जो पहले 18 पे थे और ये आगे बढ़ गए और ट्रॉफी तो बस 2 ही टीमों को मिलेगी. तो ये तो पक्का बाहर हो गए, इनको तो मिलना है नहीं. अब आपको तभी मिल सकती है जब ये दोनों टीमें केवल एक एक को करेक्ट करें. बस ऐसा तो लग नहीं रहा कि एक ही करेक्ट होगा, ऐसा तो लगता नहीं. आपने मौका खो दिया. टाइम 14B. रेडी? टाइमकीपर. ओके, योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. The product of photosynthesis is not a protein. Agree or disagree? Disagree is not correct. Plants which synthesize their own food are called saprotrophs. True or false? Is correct. Insects spin webs to trap their prey. Straight or googly? Is correct. A car or bus is not a safe place to take shelter during lightning. Am I serious or joking? No, I am joking. Smoke contains warm air which is heavier than cold air. Correct or wrong? Is not correct. The time period of a given pendulum is not constant. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree is correct. Nitric. Time up. So, how many correct? 3 correct. Takes your tally to 29 to 9. will be either first or second. Dilly, ready? Timekeeper man ready? Okay. Your time starts now. A non-uniform motion appears as a straight line on a distance time graph. Agree or disagree? Agree is not correct. During the day, air from land is cooler than the air over sea. True or false? False is correct. Dark color object is a good absorber of heat. Straight or googly? Googly is not correct. Liver is the largest gland in our body. Straight or googly? Straight is correct. Algae are heterotrophs. Correct or wrong? Correct is not correct. Clay soil gets waterlogged easily. Agree or disagree? Agree is correct. For baking breads and cakes, washing soda is used. True or false? False is correct. It took a lot of time. Still, team B are winners. Team B are the new champions of the sub-junior science quiz. Second position is taken by team B. Others also did well. It was hard luck. कोई बात नहीं बच्चों, there is always next time. I would like to say it was excellent on your part. You have been fabulous. You have been wonderful. You have been amazing. Without your applause, आपकी तालियों के बिना ये उतना अच्छा नहीं कर सकते थे जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा कर दिया. आपकी तालियों ने इतना अच्छा करवा दिया. इतने अच्छे ऑडियंस मैंने आज से पहले किसी फाइनल में नहीं देखे. आप बहुत अच्छे ऑडियंस हैं. इसी के साथ मैं आपसे विदा लेता हूँ. अगले साल फिर से सब जूनियर फाइनल के लिए इसी मंच पे हमारी आपकी मुलाकात होगी. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, सलाम, गुड बाय.